Hey, today I'm going to show you how to tighten your fridge handles, or if you just bought a new fridge and you're having trouble putting them on, I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is the fridge we're looking at today, and a lot of fridges are pretty much the exact same way to put the handles on. This is a new scratch and dent model. The handles are inside, and I'm going to show you how to properly put them on the fridge. Also, I'm going to show you if your handle is loose, how to retighten it, and then get it back to how it should be. If you buy a new fridge, the handles may be in it like this, so we're first going to pull them out and go ahead and put them on the fridge. So we're going to go ahead and pull these out here. Remove all the excess tape. Should come right out. And then we're going to go ahead and take this off. Most of the time, if you buy a new fridge, it should come with an Allen wrench, which you're going to need to tighten the handles to put them on the refrigerator. If you have a used fridge, or you just bought one and you don't have that Allen tool, I'll link one of these in the description. This has all different sizes, and this is all you really need. As well as sometimes you could just use one of these T-bits. I just try not to strip it when you tighten it with one of these. But let me show you how to put them on. So here's one of the handles, and typically on most of them you're going to have 2 set screws on either side. Occasionally they have ones with 1 set screw. You kind of slide it into place and then you tighten the single screw. But ones like this, for this Frigidaire model, and for a lot of Whirlpool and different models, you're going to have 2 set screws on either side. And that is the Allen tool you're going to need to tighten them up. So if you have a fridge like this, there's 2 different sizes. There's 2 handles that are one size, and there's a smaller size that goes on the bottom. This one right here should be the one that goes on the bottom, just like that. And then what we're going to do is go underneath, and then we're just going to tighten these set screws here. If your fridge is brand new, it should come with something like this, and that is exactly for your handles. They make it nice and easy. Don't worry, these work just as good. If you need to order one, I'll have it in the description. It's not a super difficult process. You just got to know how to do it. This is a nice little tool here, this Allen key from Frigidaire directly. And if we go here, it should fit directly in just like that. So what we're going to do, anytime you put these on, the screws are supposed to be facing down. When you put the handles on the door, the screws should be facing in. So we're going to start with the bottom handle. We're going to slide it right over those first. And then we're going to put this in our set screw and just tighten it. Here's a little bit better angle so you can see underneath. So I'm going to hold this handle in place like this. Then I'm going to turn the screw to the right, righty-tighty, just like that, until it's nice and snug. If somebody installed your fridge and they didn't do it tight enough, these can occasionally pop off, but super easy to put back on. We're gonna make sure that's nice and snug. That side feels good. Now we're gonna move over to the other side. Whoops, I was going the wrong way. There we go. Nice and snug. You don't need to over tighten it. That one should be good. Now we have our bottom handle installed. We should be able to open and close with the handle without it feeling loose or without it popping off. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our next handle and put it in place. So this time I'm going to use a little T10 bit here. Little T-bit. I will link these in the description as well. I know some people are going to come after me in the comments. This is not technically the right tool to use, but if you're very careful, you can do it without stripping it out. If you go crazy, you will strip it out and mess it up. So I would say use great caution if you're using the T-bit. But we got the T10, put it in just very slowly. You can see that's backing out. You can see it going in. So this is what I prefer. We actually pulled it all the way out. I prefer this as long as you don't strip it, but I have seen them strip, so you got to be really careful. So on the front of this fridge, we're going to have our set screws facing inside like this. And then you have the holes on the back. You're going to line them up with the studs. I like to open the door to give us more room. And then we're just going to snug this in very carefully. Just like that. I'll do the same on the bottom. That's all you need to do. Now we're gonna do the same on the right side. Now we got the other handle. We're gonna open the door, line it up, just like that. Let's go ahead and tighten the top one very carefully. And then the bottom one. Now we have all the handles installed. They're nice and snug on the refrigerator. So that's how you install them if you have the bottom freezer French door style fridge. Now let me show you one other model. This is the basic top freezer style, and these are very simple. With these, you're gonna have a couple screws up top. You line it up, put it in place, put in your 2 screws, and with the top, you line it up top, put it in place, and then you put your bottom screws. Overall, super simple, but hopefully this helps you out. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back with you, and you'll have a great day.